The main element for our design is a Christmas ball. I'm starting with a red gel polish to draw a big circle, and I painted full inside in red. I make sure I apply the color even in also in a thin layer, and I cure for 30 seconds in the lamp. Before goes in the lamp, double check the outside edge line. Make sure the outline, the edge of the ball is a crisp line and even. Now using a dark burgundy color, I'm starting to add shadow. I'm adding a line of the mix of the color in the top and the bottom, and using a brush, moisturize it with the top coat. I'm starting to blend the colors. You can do this step in multiple layers in case you want to add darker spots, and cure in between for 30 seconds. Now after curing, we need to add some highlights. I'm using top coat and orange color, and I'm starting in the middle to add some highlights and blend it well with top coat and color. We need to have that smooth transition. You don't want to have any borders of the color. Cure in the lamp for 30 seconds after. Now using a platinum gold gel, I'm adding a thin lines in the middle and creating the artwork design. A curved line. Make it thin and even, and I'm adding another one in the bottom. Make sure the line is not straight but is a curve, and then follow the ball shape. I cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. Now using a black gel paint, I'm adding contour to our artwork. I draw a fine line in the top and bottom of our gold lines, and I cure for 30 seconds in the lamp. Using a green gel polish, I'm starting to create a background for our Christmas tree, very much an express one. I'm not following to have the straight line, it's just a messy Christmas tree. And I cure in a lamp for 30 seconds. I'm preparing the color for our next layer, which we need a darker green. So I'm adding a small amount of blue and our light green. This way we create another darker color tone of green, and I'm starting to have another layer of I cure this layer in a lamp for 30 seconds, and now using a gel paint, which is a darker green, we have to pay more attention to have a little bit of product only in our brush and to draw a fine lines, which will be the Christmas tree pines. Try to make them orientated in the same direction and do not have them overlapped. Make them fines and a lot. They don't have to be a thick one. Now this base of Christmas tree under our bowl looks more deep and rich because have multiple layers. I have cured for 30 seconds. Now it's time for sealing. I'm applying a thicker than usual top coat and I seal the design. I cure in a lamp for another minute. I'm using a top coat which doesn't have a dispersion layer. If you use a top coat which have a tacky layer, make sure you remove the sticky layer before the outlining with white gel paint. So we're using our fine line brush and gel paint to add a little bit of highlights. I will add to our Christmas ball decoration just a fine line inside of our gold lines, not outside, inside. And also I'll have some outlining in the bottom and couple dots or spots which we pretend is a snow on top of Christmas tree. Now our design is ready and goes for a final cure in a lamp for 30 seconds.